we've been doing research this summer with a sugarcane producer in central Panama named Ingenio Santa Rosa, and we've been looking at implementing satellite imagery to help them better manage their crops. Here we have some Landsat imagery. You can see we have the overlay of the plots, so you can go in with this imagery and look at the variation between each plot area. This is for before harvesting, and you can also look at some later months where you can see after harvesting, and you can look at specific plot areas and see which have been harvested and the different vegetation health.
So using the same Landsat data that they just showed you, we can find the water and marsh areas in an image. Take band 5 and divide it by band 2, classify it using ArcGIS, and you can get a image showing you where the different swamp areas are. And so you can overlay that with the crop information. And you can see here, next to shrimp farms, there's swampy areas in the crops here. You have to be careful. Sometimes you'll get clouds in your imagery and it'll show as swampland, and you can use ArcGIS to go in and edit them out. And it's shown here.
An important part of precision agriculture involves using satellite imagery. From this satellite imagery, we can derive different indices. For the purpose of this project at Ingenio Santa Rosa, we concentrated on NDVI, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. This index looks specifically at vegetation density and health. Looking at the density and health, you can see which plots are doing better or which plots are doing worse. On this map, you can see the areas in red have a higher NDVI and are most likely going to have a higher yield and are doing better. Through the growing season, you can track NDVI through the months just by comparing different fields and their NDVIs.
A key part of our research involved providing visual representation of data along with numerical values. So here we combine this Landsat imagery with our list of NDVI values, which you can see here for different months, and you can also combine that with precipitation, soil types, varieties, and go through and select specific numbers, perhaps the top 5 producing as seen here, and go through and look at all of those specifics in a neat little chart to go along with your satellite imagery.